let me direct your attention to the market, please, because I'm going to call this at least a modest comeback. The Dow was down 551. That number sticks in my head. I saw it on the screen there. Now we're down 143. That's in the space of a half hour. The Nasdaq Composite was down, I think, close to 200. Now it's down 73. I'm not going to call this a comeback, but it is a modest comeback from where we started. Jeff Sica with me this Monday morning. OK, it's a sell-off today. I got that. It's not huge by any means. It's not rabid, but it's down. Going forward, I'm betting on a rebound for all stocks by the end of the week. What say you?
Stuart, not only am I betting on a rebound, but I'm betting on a surge in the markets. And I'll tell you why. What the U.S. did is they eliminated one of the greatest, if not the greatest, threat to capitalism, to prosperity in this country, which is Iran, who's been threatening for years and years. But as you said, Trump is the first person to do anything about it, and removing a nuclear threat, potentially removing a nuclear threat, does nothing but good for the country. So the market will reverse. I believe the market will progress upwards. I think as far as if you're looking at the success of an initial stage of an attack, you couldn't do any better than they did. And the market will celebrate that. You always have this fog of war that people have to contend with. What's it going to mean for oil prices? What's it going to mean for casualties? All important things, but we will get a celebration.
And it'll be a surge. You want to please repeat that?
Yes.
You see a surge in stock prices?
I see a surge when everybody wakes up and they realize that we are being respected, that President Trump is taking the right action, that this strategically was planned just as it should have been. It needed to be done, as Charlie said, years ago. But now the fact that we're doing it, the market should celebrate that.
Yes, I think we're seeing it right now. Just the beginnings thereof. Jeff Sica, good stuff, Jeff.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. The president